excuse me, I'm recording. You're gonna have to back off. Hello friends, it's me. I know it's been a while since I made a video on this channel. Hi, how y'all doing? I just upload so much on my main channel that it's like, I can't keep up. But anyways, if you're wondering what this mess over here is, it's basically some of the things I've been buying, things that I've bought the past few weeks that kind of just have been chilling there that I haven't like opened yet. And I was like, I'm gonna make a video. I'm gonna show you guys some of the stuff I've been buying over quarantine because ain't nothing else much to do but buy things online. Ash is gonna be joining us today. You helping? Yes, very much so. So at the beginning of March, me and my friend were planning a Disney trip and it was her birthday. And then the world was like, nope, no Disney for you. So Gucci collabed with Disney and my friend, she's a huge Disney fan. This girl lives, breathes Disney. And you're probably wondering like, didn't you say you just got it for her? What are you doing with it? So I ordered this. It said it was gonna come in time for her birthday and it didn't. The day before her birthday, they didn't even ship it. So I like called up every Gucci in town. I'm like, hey, who got this bag? They had one more. So I had digital go get that bag. And then I gave her that one for her birthday. And then this one came like several weeks later with not even like a return slip or anything. So I'm just like, heck, you know what? It's kind of cute. I got a new phone that's like small. I think it's the iPhone 11. It's a small one, but you can unlock it with like fingerprint. I don't like the Face ID. I think it's pretty cute. I only decided to keep this, well, because they didn't, does it have a wallet in it? I was like, free wallet, dang. Y'all generous, but no, it's just like built in. My new smaller size phone actually fits in this because before I had the 8 Plus and it wasn't having it, so perfect. I hate these things. Ooh. Oh, that was easier than I thought. Ooh, pop. Ugh. It's a backpack, or you could kind of wear it like a harness, like Iron Man, but make it Disney Gucci. You know, this monogram is actually really ugly. I mean, I do want to feel special when I go to Disney. Everybody there be flexing something, whether it's like super cool, rare ears. I mean, I thought we would be like all cute and just match our bags when we go to Disney. I attached the wrong strap. It's 2 in the morning. I'm not going to bother with this. I feel like there's several ways that you can wear this. Oh, you could even wear it as like a regular bag or like a fanny bag. But anyways, look at the print. It's kind of ugly. It reminds me of like old style Dooney and Burke. It's like vintage, and I know some people like that. It's kind of cute. I feel like half the haul videos I do, just me convincing myself that, yeah, I like it. I spent money on this, but it's like, I don't regret it at all. No, but do I? With all my material possessions, it's like, I don't need it, but I'm gonna buy it. And you know what makes it real easy to buy stuff? When I'm getting cash back. Oh, that smooth ad placement. This next pile of stuff I got from Shein was very cheap because I use Letty Shops. Letty Shops is a great free tool to use if you shop online. And it's so easy. All you gotta do is shop at the stores you usually shop at, and a percentage of what you spend, you get cash back right back into your account. So we're gonna go to lettyshops.com. I already installed the browser extension, so whenever I'm doing my online shopping and it's telling me I can save money, it'll just like pop up. So I get a lot of cosplay items from AliExpress. 6.5% activate. So everything you buy from AliExpress, you'll get up to 6.5% cash back into your account. So easy. All you have to do is go to lettyshops.com, sign up for an account. It takes like 2 seconds, and then choose the store you want to shop at. There are over 2,400 stores with cash back. Shein got 25% cash back. Even Walmart got a cash back. After you go to the store, make your purchase as usual. You click that cash back button. The cash back amount will be automatically tracked from your order and credited into your account in the next 24 hours. Once your order is confirmed, you can withdraw the cash back money to your PayPal. Stonks. Okay, this has been sitting for a hot second. This is my first time shopping at Shein. I always see ads for it, and I clicked on the site. I'm like, why is this so cheap? And now I know why. So my friend bought sweatpants from there. I'm like, where'd you get your sweatpants from? She's like, Shein. And I'm like, oh, those look pretty nice. So the first thing I got is this dress. You know, this actually looks fine, decent. It's got a little slit in the middle. I'm just gonna try it on. You can't let how cute this look fool you. It's only a matter of time before it cuts off circulation to my arms. And this piece, I mean, not everything is gonna be perfect. I feel like the zipper is just stuck, but it's not zipping over here. I think, especially for a picture, this is extremely cute. Like, look at it. It's got the ruffles, it's got the tie, it's got the off the shoulder. I think this got like the whole package. And when I'm looking for like something cute and covers the butt. I can't complain about the material. It's very light, summery. This is just weird how it just, hey. Next thing I got is this little set. So these are shorts. I was just gonna make PJs out of this, but like these shorts actually look like they will cover my butt, which is all I need. My standards are low. Material it looked like if I put this in water, like all the ink is gonna come off, but that's none of my business. And it comes with a matching top. I don't know, let's just try it on. So aggressive. Okay, I'll admit I didn't like this when I first saw it, and then just kidding, I still don't like it. It doesn't have pockets. And you can't actually pull on this, but I think this actually looks very cute, especially if you're just taking pictures in it. Like, oh, I kind of like it. Very cute. Cuter than most of my outfits. I stan. It does not look bad either. Next thing I got was this cute little oh, there's no trying this on. This is not gonna fit me. What is this going to cover? A nipple? I mean, it's cute. Big surprise, it actually fit. Very cute. I don't know if I would actually wear it though. And the last thing I got was this dress. Oh, it's like hearts. I don't know why I get things like that look like polka dots, because I never end up wearing them because I don't like anything that looks like polka dots or is polka dots. But these ones were hard. So I wanted to make an exception, especially because there's like tie at the top here. So I thought this was like a really cute summer dress, and I still think it is. And I haven't even tried it on yet, so. Okay, you know, this is pretty cute. I wasn't expecting it to be this long. I don't like this length at all, where it's just like my knee show. My mother would like this length. You know, this is actually a really cute dress. I like the quality. The quality isn't bad. It's very lightweight. Like, it's a good summer dress. And I tied the straps so they're adjustable. Cute! I'm not gonna show you all the stuff I got behind me because it's a lot of stuff and it's a mess. But this is another thing that, oh, these were, ooh, I got these off Amazon. So, funny thing, I actually got a PR package from Ugg. Yes, Ugg, like the Ugg boots. And I'm like, wow, peak career right here. Ugg recognized me and wanted to send me a PR package, okay? First of all, it's probably the best PR package I've ever received. And they sent me these Ugg socks. I love a good sock. I've bought so many socks from Target and none of them can live up to this quality. Like, these are the softest, comfiest, like probably the best looking like chunky socks ever. Like, this is just 10 out of 10 all around. So I went on Amazon, I bought 2 more pairs. They're like $15 each. These are the comfiest socks you will ever wear in your life. And they look so stinking cute, like with sneakers. Thank me later. This one is really fancy because over quarantine, I keep wanting to say summer vacation, but boy, this was not a summer vacation. I looked through my closet and I was like, hey, I don't have any like fancy ball gowns or anything. It didn't help before that I watched a video with like a bunch of celebrities and they were all like dressed so nice with like ball gowns and stuff, and I'm like, wait, I don't have a ball gown. Why don't I have like a pretty long dress? I only have garbage dresses from Fashion Nova. So I panicked. I went on House of CB and I bought this. It's like a satiny black evil princess dress, and just wait till you see this on. It was like a life-changing seeing myself like wearing something so fancy, because I don't think I've ever owned something like a dress that was really fancy that looked good on me. Yes, ma'am, here she is, the fanciest dress I own, and I still have the tag on it. It's kind of like a giant watermark. I've been trying to leave the tags on it until I actually wear it, because I always take the tags off, even if I wear them or not, so I'm trying to leave it on, just in case we ever have to get rid of it. But I feel like this is like, it's the perfect dress. Everything about it. Wow. Wow. Such beauty. Such grace. All right, that's enough confidence for one day. Let's go cry in my room. Yes, I get to open this now. Finally, I was waiting to do this video so I can show you guys. This next one is from Lunya, and I get a lot of my PJs from here. So these are silk PJs. I saw my friend wearing these, and I was like, where'd you get your PJs from? And then she told me, and then I bought the same PJs as her, because that's what we do. Oh my god, these pants are just, oh. They have a bunch of silk PJs on their site, and I love silk. I am a sucker. Like, it is life-changing. Does this have like braille or something on the side of it? No, I don't know what that is. But anyways, just sleeping in silk, I feel like that is, oh, the biggest luxury flex, whatever you want to call it. It's just life-changing. It's just will elevate your sleep experience. And for somebody who likes to sleep a lot, yes ma'am. So I'm gonna show you how these look. These have like a slit on the side of them. Very cool. I've bought PJs from this brand before. I have like 3 of them. I wear them almost every single night when I go to sleep. And you know how there's like silk pillowcases? So silk is just super soft. It's hypoallergenic. It's just straight up good for your skin. Also, it's like naturally antifungal. It's just my favorite material. I just want to live in this. Okay, you know what? This one actually wins. Probably because it looks like a put together work uniform, but I'm just really going to sleep. So, wow, my ankles can breathe. This is just perfect in every way. Wow, I actually bought so much stuff that I forgot to show you. I got so many dang candles from Bath & Body Works and this doll. It's not like you guys can even smell them, so I'm just gonna show you like the names of them. Ash, I swear, if you knock my tower of candles down. Pumpkin Clove, Welcome Home, which smells nasty. Acorn Lane, and Ghoul Friend. Are you my ghoul friend or my cool friend? Neither. I also got this Balenciaga fanny pack.
I really love mine so much that I wanted to get a leather version because mine was a nylon one and I wear it every single day. So I'm like, ooh, leather's more durable, but I don't like how the zipper is like hidden and hard to pull out. Oh, but this leather do be nice though. I just want a good quality fanny pack.
So if you check out my link in the description below, download Letty Shops now, you will get a free upgraded premium account with 30% increased cash back for the first week of shopping. So like, what are you waiting for? But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment below, let me know which one of these was your favorite looks. And if you guys enjoyed, make sure to hit that like button in the face. And make sure you turn on notifications so you know when I upload. Click, and subscribe to my channel. I love you guys so much. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.